Vault isn't just a simple payment solution. It's an entire system built for you to get paid next day, shop and pay bills, track your spending, and manage your money. With Vault, you get instant access to a virtual card to pay bills, shop online, and connect with Google Pay or Apple Wallet to shop in store. You also get access to a physical debit card that works anywhere Visa is accepted, even at ATMs to deposit and withdraw cash. Here's how to get started with Vault. First, follow the prompts in the Veryable mobile app to complete the required steps for the application. You'll find these prompts at the bottom of your screen and in the Prereqs tab of the app's main menu. Then, wait for approval. Most users get a response within 1 day. Wait times may vary. After your application is approved, you must work and complete an opt to activate your account. When the payment for your work enters your account, you'll gain access right away so you can start spending your earnings with your virtual card. You can pay bills, shop online, or use Google Pay and Apple Wallet in store. You can order your first physical card for free. Delivery usually takes between 7 to 10 business days. Once you've been paid and spent your earnings, you can track everything in the main dashboard of Vault. Once on the dashboard, you can see your account or routing number by pressing the I button on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Once you've set up your other personal accounts in Vault, you can transfer money from your Vault account by going to the Transfers page and pressing Send Money. Then you can change the amount, select the recipient, and add a description and memo before you review and confirm the transfer. Transfers to other accounts usually take 3 to 5 business days. Luckily, you don't have to wait to start spending your money in Vault. You can get paid, pay bills, shop, and track your spendings. And you can do it all with Vault.